There are several ways you can browse for books in the library's online catalog. To begin browsing, go to library.chatham.edu, the library's homepage. Click on the Catalog tab above the search bar. From here, you can search directly for a title or author, or you can select Basic Search / Browse the Catalog link below the search box. From here, you'll see a list of categories of items that you can select to begin your browsing. If you ever have a question about what each category might mean, ask a librarian. We'd be happy to help explain them to you. Let's click on Fiction. This page offers many different ways you can browse or search our fiction books to find what you need. You can browse by call number or location in the library building and by subject or genre. And up at the top of the page, you can conduct a keyword search of our fiction titles or open up a list of our fiction books in order of when they were added to our collection. You can also access maps to the different floors of the library if you're planning a visit. Another way to browse our collection through the online catalog is in the digital book record itself. Let's say you're looking for Parable of the Sower by Octavia Butler. We can search for the title in our catalog to see if the library has it. And we do. I'm going to click into the item record and open that up. This page has all of the publication and cataloging information for this book, and you can place a hold from this page as well. If you scroll down, it will tell you where the book is located in the library building and whether or not it's available for checkout. You will see that this book is already checked out. You can also get the book's call number here if you want to retrieve it from the shelf yourself. You'll notice that there is a Browse Shelf link next to the call number. If you click on this link, you'll be able to scroll through the books that are shelved next to Parable of the Sower. This mimics the act of scanning the shelves when you're physically in a building, and you might find titles that you weren't aware of before this way. It's a wonderful way to find related, helpful titles, especially if you're conducting research.